And, I'm going back again to New York. You and I were just there for the NARO conference. I'm going back in November. We were the first inaugural awardee of the Grindaz Award for the uh, Institute of Classical Architecture and Art. They're headquartered in New York, and we were awarded their national award for creating beautiful developments. It's not a single development. They looked at the breadth of our developments and saying, gee, the housing authority is doing something truly unusual here. They're really
Mhm.
taking time to ensure that what they build is truly beneficial to the community and like not just easy on the eyes, but boy, you look at it and you gaze at it and you say, that's beautiful. Dang, I would love to live there.
Yeah.
That's something we're truly proud of.